Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an old-school coffee maker. First, ensure your coffee maker is sparkling clean and ready. Then, fill the water reservoir with fresh, cold water, carefully measuring up to your desired cup mark, perhaps for 8 cups of coffee. Always place the empty carafe securely on the warming plate so it is perfectly aligned to collect the hot brew. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your morning ritual. Now, place a fresh paper filter into the brew basket. Many older models rely on these for optimal flavor. Measure your coffee grounds carefully. A good starting point is 2 tablespoons for every 6 ounces of water. For 8 cups, that means about 12 tablespoons of medium grind coffee. Distribute the grounds evenly across the filter, preventing any weak spots in your future coffee. Next, securely close the coffee maker's lid, ensuring it clicks into place if applicable. Now, press the power button, usually located on the front or side, to initiate the brewing cycle. The hot water will begin to drip over the coffee grounds, filling your kitchen with a delightful aroma. Allow the entire process to complete, which typically takes about 7 to 9 minutes before removing the carafe. Once brewing finishes, carefully remove the hot carafe from the warming plate and pour yourself a fresh cup of coffee. Remember to turn off the coffee maker if it doesn't automatically shut down. Always let the entire unit cool down completely before you attempt any cleaning. Discard the used filter and grounds, then rinse the carafe and brew basket with warm, soapy water for your next perfect brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.